Chapter 7. The Impact of Technology on Capital Markets. Welcome to Chapter 7 of Capital Markets 101, Navigating the Financial Seas. In this segment, we delve into the transformative influence of technology on capital markets, exploring how advancements in technology have reshaped the landscape of financial markets and investment strategies. Evolution of trading platforms, the digital revolution. Begin your exploration by tracing the evolution of trading platforms. Understand how the shift from traditional, floor-based exchanges to electronic trading platforms has revolutionized the speed, efficiency, and accessibility of financial markets. Explore the impact of digital trading on market liquidity and the democratization of market participation. Algorithmic trading, the rise of machines. Navigate through the rise of algorithmic trading, where complex algorithms execute high-frequency trades at speeds beyond human capability. Explore how these algorithms analyze market data, identify patterns, and execute trades in fractions of a second. Understand the implications of algorithmic trading on market efficiency, liquidity, and potential risks. High-frequency trading, HFT, riding the lightning. Delve into high-frequency trading, a subset of algorithmic trading characterized by lightning-fast execution of a large number of orders. Explore how HFT firms leverage technology to capitalize on price discrepancies, arbitrage opportunities, and market inefficiencies. Understand the benefits and challenges associated with HFT in the context of modern capital markets. Blockchain and cryptocurrencies, the decentralized revolution. Navigate through the decentralized revolution brought about by blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies. Explore the principles of blockchain, a distributed ledger technology that underlies digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Understand the potential impact of blockchain on the transparency, security, and efficiency of financial transactions. Fintech innovation, transforming financial services. Explore the transformative impact of fintech, financial technology, on various aspects of financial services. From robo-advisors providing algorithm-driven investment advice to peer-to-peer lending platforms facilitating direct lending between individuals, grasp how fintech innovations are reshaping the way financial services are accessed and delivered. Big data and analytics, unveiling market insights. Delve into the role of big data and analytics in unraveling market insights. Explore how vast amounts of data, from social media sentiments to economic indicators, are analyzed to identify trends, correlations, and potential investment opportunities. Understand how data-driven decision-making has become integral to modern investment strategies. Artificial intelligence, AI, in finance. The Smart Investor's Toolkit. Navigate through the integration of artificial intelligence, AI, into financial processes. Explore how machine learning algorithms, natural language processing, and predictive analytics are empowering investors with sophisticated tools for data analysis, risk assessment, and portfolio optimization. Understand the potential benefits and challenges associated with AI in finance. Cybersecurity, safeguarding the digital realm. Recognize the importance of cybersecurity in safeguarding the digital realm of capital markets. Explore the evolving threats posed by cyber attacks and the measures implemented by financial institutions to protect sensitive data, transactions, and market infrastructure. Understand how advancements in technology are both a boon and a challenge in the context of cybersecurity. Conclusion: navigating the tech-driven future. As you conclude this chapter, envision yourself as a navigator in a tech-driven future of capital markets. Recognize that staying informed about technological advancements is essential for navigating the evolving landscape. Armed with the knowledge gained in this chapter, you're better prepared to harness the benefits of technology and set sail confidently into the next chapter of Capital Markets 101.